Hello.
It's, what did they call us this morning in the comments?
Lucy and Ethel.
It's Lucy and Ethel.
She's Ethel, I'm Lucy.
No! No, that's wrong. Alright, we've had a really fun day.
Yes.
We slept till 9 o'clock.
No, we were up long before then.
This is so pretty. Oh, we've got this right here sheds like a sheep, and we've got little red fuzzies everywhere. Anyway, Phylly finished this. It's here. Let's get you right square in front of the camera so you can model that coat. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Let's hold your arm of the fabric. Get your boob up here right in front of the
Really, we love the boob.
Right now, stand still. I want to see if it can see the sparkles. Well, you just can't hardly see them.
I saw a sparkle right there.
Did you see a sparkle?
I saw a sparkle, just a little
There's so many sparkles, you guys.
The blue is a blue sparkle, and then there's a little bit of a little white or creamy or pink sparkle right along in here.
It's very pretty.
So.
Very pretty.
But
lovely. And the fit. We Palmer plushed this, you guys. We're professionals.
Now this one we did.
Palmer plush might disagree with us, but
yes.
we think we're professionals.
Our version of Palmer plush, okay?
Our version of Palmer plush.
The way we do.
Speaking of that, first let's show them what we bought this morning.
What did you buy?
I don't know where mine is.
Yours is right there.
But where's my pattern?
Oh, I don't know.
Okay, you show them what you bought and I'll go find mine.
We went into Hobby Lobby and I walked in and I saw this and went, ooh, I need that. So I bought that. This will be a top that I'll make maybe before I leave this next week. So there's that. And
you got the yarn store.
we went to David's yarn shop because Tammy, Joy's daughter, is having a trunk show there. And I bought some beautiful yarn. You remember, I think I showed the yarn that I bought before. This is her fingering yarn for making socks or scarves or that type of thing. And I got 3 beautiful shades. I think I'm going to see if I can make a scarf with these 3 colors. And go from in this kind of order.
So pretty with denim. I wish I could knit. I can crochet a little.
Well, you know,
how many afghans do you need when you have a house full of quilts?
Well, and then because I'm a friend of Mom, I got in a little freebie mini thrown in for it. So, guys, if you've not seen her online, you need to go
check that knits.com.
Yes, and she makes
beautiful
yarn.
She's really got a talent for it, y'all. And my granddaughter-in-law Lauren helps her, and they are a team together, let me tell you. Okay, so we went to the yarn store because Phylly loves yarn. And I knew she'd want to buy some yarn. And so then we went to eat our lunch and we went to Johnny's to get a hamburger. Well, right in the same parking lot, there's a Hobby Lobby.
Yeah, we had to go.
What's a person to do? So none of the patterns were on sale, but the new look's never on sale. So I decided I really like this new look pattern. I love the dress, and I love this long jacket that matches the dress, and I love the pants, and I love the top. So if I had some really nice fabric, I would make that this weekend. Then, you know I'm on this lemon binge. Yes. So I saw this at Hobby Lobby.
Doesn't it look great on me?
Terrible.
Yes, it does. I am not a lemon person.
So the thing about it is, I ordered yellow from Fabric Mart Fabrics yesterday to make a topper. And so the only thing I would have, and look at my lemons. I've almost got them done, you guys.
I was going to say, what'd you do?
Out of my tunic, here she is, on Betty Blue. Huh? Cute. I decided in the middle of the night that Phylly was right about the border.
Of course it was. Well, no.
So, and you know, there's a difference. There's a difference in your apex level when, let's how can we say that nicely?
Should we talk about my fishbowl too?
Well, there's one thing about apex when you're in your nightgown and otherwise when you're dressed and you've got your bra on. So I decided that the border wasn't going to be too high up because I'm way up here. So I think that's really, really cute. So, and then I decided since I bought the yellow for those lemons that I needed some more lemons. I bet this looks better on me than Philly. Maybe not
Especially with my pink.
Huh?
Especially with my pink.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's better for you. It clashes with my beautiful gray.
It does. Yes. It does. I'm thinking about not dyeing my hair for a while and seeing how much gray I have. I may not make videos. I don't know. Can y'all even see us?
We're way far back.
My sewing room looks like there was an escape at the Oklahoma City Zoo and the animals all ran through this room.
No, it's just two crazy sewing persons. That's all.
So show them what you're doing, how we're Palmer plushing you.
Well, it's, you know, things settle a little bit different as you get older, and so I need a new pants pattern. We decided that the last time I was here. Anyway, it's this same pattern, except I've decided I don't want the zipper, so I'm going to put elastic at the top. So I will elongate the waistband, and so I've got room to turn it over and put my elastic. But I've taped it, I've trimmed it, I tried it on, and Joy marked all of my...
I took about 8 inches of width out of the leg.
Well, probably you did. There's...
Her pants are always, I've been telling her for 10 years, you need to take those pants in the legs, take the pants in the legs. And she actually has a couple times when I Palmer plushed her.
When you do it so that I can get it right, I do it. But once I get my pattern done...
Because... You know, when you get the lovely after menopause fishbowl, is that what you're calling a fishbowl?
Well, that's the crotch part,
Oh.
you know.
Oh yeah, when we made our
fishbowl.
yes,
And mine looks like a fishbowl.
And so the thing is, to get this to fit, you have to have a bigger pattern than your legs need.
Yeah.
And so when we fit Philly in the hips and the belly, the legs are always gigantic. I'm not kidding you. Look at this. It's one part of the leg on Philly's leg. I cut off like a whole inch here.
Yeah.
And a whole inch here. And that's just on one part. Dear Lord, this could... So she's made her 2 really pretty toppers. And I've made one topper that I wore today when I went to the quilt show. No, the yarn show.
Yarn.
Where my daughter was, yes. My baby wasn't there, and I missed him. His mama was there, but he wasn't there.
Yeah.
And so I wore that there this morning, so I really do like that topper. But now I'm making blouses. So I'm going to finish this lemon top today, and I'm going to start that lemon top tomorrow. We have the leftover Marsala chicken to eat tonight, and we're gonna add some more Marsala.
Marsala. Sounds like we've already had it.
We're gonna add some more Marsala to it. So anyway, that's all we've done for today. I don't know exactly how I'm going to finish my lemon blouse, but isn't it cute? I really like it.
So you're going to scoop the neck out, or you're going to make it a V?
I don't know. I'm going to think about it and see what happens. Okay, Philly, tell them how come we didn't finish our video. Tell them about our company.
Oh, our good friend Margaret came over and we got to visit with her. I haven't seen her in several years, so I was thrilled to see her. So you'll get more tomorrow.
Yeah.
Probably too much of us.
We're in our recliners, see. We have no lights on nor nothing.
We got clothes on.
I have my pajamas on and she has her pajamas on, and I have my terry quilt on, and she has a quilt I bought for one of my grandkids years ago in Branson. And I'm drinking the tea that Philly gave me for my birthday. It's peach. She drinks like fancy tea. She doesn't drink what I drink. She goes to these real expensive, what's that place called you love?
Nobility.
Yeah, Nobility. See, that just tells you it's noble. Anyway, y'all remember my friend Margaret, and I hadn't seen her neither Philly in ages. Oh, y'all should see what happened to her. Oh my heavens, bless her heart. I knew that she had fallen. She's 82, and she had just stood up from a chair to walk away, and she had untied her shoes, and it made her trip, and she fell into a table. she showed us a picture a while ago. It happened back 8 weeks ago. And she showed us a picture a while ago. Her face was black and blue from here down her nose and came down her cheek and down her neck and all the way under here. It was completely, totally black. Oh, felt so sorry for her. Unbelievable. So I didn't leave my house for 6 weeks. I said, well, why not? Anyway, we don't even know what we showed you earlier, but I'm fixing to edit it and see if we can get something out of Sewcation Day 3 to show you guys. So, this is Saturday, August 31, 2019. So, good night from me.
Good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite.
We'll be back tomorrow. It's Sunday, so you know for me it's church in the morning. But then we're going to sew, and probably go out to lunch or something. I'm sure it'll be terribly exciting. See you then.